I'll put up a Sandra Botticelli painting. Now, this has appeared in other courses of mine, and it led to somebody getting a refund saying I was promoting pornography. Well, there is the warning at the beginning of this section. If you're watching this, I hope, of course, you're not offended. So, I'll put the painting up now. What does this show? Well, certainly it's described as the magnum opus, the birth of Venus. It is one of the most recognizable works of art. This Renaissance piece was unusual for the time. It was inspired by a Homeric poem. And Botticelli modelled Venus after local beauty, Simonetta Cattaneo Vespucci. She was a married lady. Yes, a married lady. And Botticelli was rumoured to be in love with her. So, what should I do? What should you do? I know! Do something unexpected. Oh, I'll put the painting there just to remind you. So do something unexpected and unique for you from your heart, from your gut, from your mind, from your feeling, from the emotions, or from your inner self. So, do something totally unexpected. Yes, work hard at this course. Or suddenly take all the money you've got in your bank and give it to the homeless. Or 10% of the money you've got, or 1%. Do something unusual. Do some artwork. Maybe you've never done artwork before. This is about art therapy. You do not have to be a brilliant artist. I mean, for example, the drawing I showed before, I wouldn't say that's particularly artistic. Show it to somebody else, they might say, well, it's a badly drawn pendant or something you wear around your neck, or a headrest, or maybe some sort of duvet cover, and that's your pillow at the top. And those words like spread refer to maybe two of you in the bed spreading so you fill up the whole bed or something, and this is some sort of wheel. Who knows? Well, actually we do know in a later lecture. But anyway, I'd like you to do something unexpected, unique, and it's from your gut, it's from your mind, from your feeling, from your emotions, from your inner self. To motivate you, here's another painting.